Hello students, welcome to the online classes of science. Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. Today we will learn how to write the activity. Okay, how to write the activity in the proper format. Okay, so first we will write what is aim. What is our aim? For to write to do any experiment, we need something aim. We must have a goal. What it is? So we'll write aim. What is the aim actually? Suppose we are going to find out the quantity or presence of starch. We will write to prove the presence of starch. Okay, then we have to write apparatus. What is apparatus? Apparatus are nothing but whatever instruments or whatever chemicals, whatever instruments we are using, that is nothing but apparatus. For example, we are using conical glass, we are using test tube, we are using a spatula. Whatever instruments we are using is mentioned under the apparatus. Next, coming to the chemical required. Suppose if we are using any chemicals here, okay, then only we must write this. If we are not using any chemical, then we must not write it. Okay, suppose we are using some chemical here, like example iodine we have used in the test of starch, presence of starch, right? So that will come under chemicals. Okay, any apparatus, any instrument if you are using, you'll write here like conical glass, test tube, spatula, everything. Okay, and if you are using any chemicals like iodine, NaOH, copper sulfate, etc., will come under chemicals required. Then we will go with the procedure. What is the procedure we have to write? So what is the procedure? How we are going to do this experiment, we have to write in the form of points. First, second, third, fourth, like that we will write in the form of points. What are the steps that we are going to follow for the method to do the experiment? Okay, please ignore the sound coming there. Then next is after procedure we will write observation. What is our observation? What have we observed in this experiment? After doing this, for example, we have observed that the whatever solution we are taking, it is turning into dark blue or black, right? So that is we have observed. We have observed that the solution has turned into, the solution has turned into some blue or black, blue-black color. That means it proves that. Then we will write here result. Okay, result, or sometimes it is said as inference also. Okay, inference. So this is, now here we can write hence we have proved that hence we have proved the presence of whatever it is. So we have said here blue and black. This is one example. Okay, this is one example what I am giving, right? So we can say that presence of we have done for blue and black means that is starch, right? So it is nothing but, this is a proper format. First you have to write aim, apparatus. If chemicals we are using, then you write chemicals required. If you are not using, don't write it. Then procedure, whatever process you have done here, whatever steps you are involving to do this experiment, you have to write it. Then you have to write the observation, then results. I hope it is clear. Till then, till we take up another video, take care. Bye.